Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm back with another video. This time I'm riding with Charlie Johnson, a good friend of mine. We're heading over into western North Carolina in this video. This was shot 8 days after the flooding in western North Carolina and East Tennessee. In this video, you'll hear me talk about Friday night. Friday night was actually the night of the flood. My son was stuck in South Carolina, and I was trying to find a way there to get him and bring him back home. Had no idea how bad everything was, and since I couldn't take the interstate, I ended up taking back roads trying to make my way to Clinton, South Carolina. Was very unsuccessful. About 5-6 hours later, had to turn around and come back home, and then take 77 into South Carolina. But you'll hear me talk about that. I just wanted to kind of explain that before I start talking in the video. Hope you enjoy it, and I'm gonna sit back and be quiet. So we're on the other side of Iron Mountain right now, and this is what I drove through last Friday night. And obviously it's been cleaned up drastically, but it's still bad. I wish I'd had the GoPro with me whenever I drove through that. It's just unreal. And this is all from Hurricane Helene. Just trees down everywhere. And I was coming through here, this was Friday night after everything happened, and I was coming up through here at like 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. So pitch black dark, you've got all this down. It was like something out of a apocalyptic movie. I mean, it still is in a lot of places. It's like no matter how much of this you see, it just don't, I don't know. You can't get used to it. Something had been there. So what I'm looking at right here, it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but that is actually railroad track that's just hanging. And right here we're going through some construction. This is what a lot of what western North Carolina looks like right now, and some of it's way worse than this. But we're basically in the wrong lane right here. As you can see, the rest of the road is just gone. And on this particular day, they were working to start building the road back. Following this, me and Charlie, we made our way towards Bakersville, North Carolina. We went into Spruce Pine. That's where Charlie's wife's family's from. He wanted to go check on some stuff there. Didn't get any video of Spruce Pine, but it was in really bad shape too. But one of the cool things, in the beginning, you was hearing how nobody was going to help, this, that, and the other, but you see all these cars that were passing. I mean, this was everywhere that particular Saturday. Just people coming from, we seen cars from Pennsylvania, Ohio, New York, Florida, Georgia. People were coming from everywhere to try to help out, and that was kind of cool to see. So now I'm kind of moving into I guess this is a little bit of a hodgepodge of video. So this is Hot Springs area. I actually rode into Hot Springs by myself a few days before Charlie and I rode into Western North Carolina. Hot Springs got hit pretty hard, so here's just some GoPro footage of me riding through the downtown area of Hot Springs. You see the buildings as I cross the railroad tracks up here. You'll see the buildings on each side. They're just trying to clean the mud out. A lot of damage, but anyways, I've got this, and then there's some drone footage from above of Hot Springs, and I'm just going to leave you with that. And people still need help. People are still hurting, but I'm going to be quiet now and sit back and just let the video play out. Thanks for watching. Click the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.